Hello, today we will guide you through how to use QuickBooks as a self-employed driver. Whether you deliver food, drive passengers, or handle courier work, keeping your numbers organized helps you understand earnings, stay on top of expenses, and prepare for tax time with confidence. In this walkthrough, we'll move through a few key areas in QuickBooks so you know where to look and what each section is for. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and signing into your account. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to look around. You'll see menus along the top and left that help you quickly get to the tools you need. Move your cursor to the Create button in the top left area of the screen. Hovering here reveals shortcuts for common tasks. As a self-employed driver, this menu is your launchpad for recording new activity, like capturing spending or logging income from a payout. Even if you don't select anything right now, it's helpful to know that Create is the quickest way to add transactions when you're on the go. Next, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks turns your activity into clear summaries. The profit and loss report shows what you earned versus what you spent over a time period, which is perfect for understanding weekly or monthly results. You can view categories such as fuel, tolls, parking, maintenance, and supplies against your trip earnings. If something looks off, make a note to review how those transactions were categorized so your totals stay accurate. Now hover over the All Apps icon, often shown as a grid of 9 dots. Think of this as your app switcher and navigation hub. It helps you jump between major sections without losing your place, which is especially handy when you are moving from reviewing numbers to adjusting categories. Click on Accounting. This area organizes your categories, known as your chart of accounts. Seeing how expenses and income are grouped helps you keep driver-related costs separated from personal spending. Consistent categories make your reports clearer and save time later. If you're unsure about a category name, use something simple and descriptive so it's easy to recognize. Click on Expenses. Here you can review individual purchases and make sure they're in the right buckets, like fuel, car washes, or phone service used for work. You can filter by date to focus on a recent week and skim the list for anything that needs attention. Accurate labeling here improves every report you run. Finally, click on Sales. This is where your income lives. You'll see what came in, how it was recorded, and the timing of your payments. If you invoice any direct clients, you can monitor what's paid and what's pending, keeping cash flow visible at a glance. That's it. By visiting Create Reports, the App Switcher, Accounting, Expenses, and Sales, you've covered the essentials for running your driving business with clarity in QuickBooks.